Good morning, I'm Ben Spry, Optimisation Desk Manager here at npower, and welcome to today's market report. So we'll start by looking at gas, and gas system has opened circa 19 MCM long, so that's the predicted closing line pack for tonight. So complete contrast to yesterday and indeed most of the week where the gas system has been running short. We were a lot more comfortable this morning, and that's largely on the back of increased flows from Norway, so Norwegian production's up, and we're getting quite a bit more flows through the Langeled pipeline, and that's just easing some of the tightness we've seen over the last couple of days. Also, we've seen increased flows in from the kind of BBL pipeline, so that's helping to kind of alleviate some of the tightness we saw throughout this week as well. So gas prices, if we look from within day ahead, also into the front winter, all a little bit lower than where we left it yesterday. If we look into next week for gas, well, if we look at the latest weather forecast, predicted to be a little bit colder, the impact of that around about 10 MCM added to the demand. However, hopefully that increased Norwegian production should cover that off. In terms of power, we have seen CCGT demand stay at around about 40 MCM, so again pretty robust demand for gas generation. Wind feed in still relatively muted, about 500 megawatts, and also kind of struggling to get those flows from the interconnectors, both from France and Holland, continuing to struggle. However, peak power margins are still relatively comfortable, and actually the power prices following those gas prices a little bit lower first thing this morning. If you look out onto the curve, again not trading a great deal as is expected this time on a Friday morning. However, those seasons that are trading lower against the close, and I think kind of pressured lower by that weakness on the front end, and also Brent oil prices continuing to be pressured a little bit lower. If I look now, front month Brent about 97.48. Again, pressured by the kind of healthy global supply picture we do have, but also strength in the dollar against other currencies like the euro. Okay, just to summarise then, long gas system. We've also got the pound actually gaining against the euro, 2-year high against the euro after the kind of Scottish vote, and this is just helping to pressure gas prices and short-term power prices just a little bit lower this morning. And the curve yet to start trading really, but again, those seasons that are trading a little bit lower following the kind of weakness on the front end. Okay, that's it from us this week. Have a great weekend. If you do need to contact us, please do so on the email address provided. If not, we'll see you again this time next week. Thanks. Goodbye.